Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is associated with brain. It lies at the base of the thalamus. It is visible in the ventral view of the brain. It consists of masses of gray matter called nuclei. It contains several groups of neurosecretory cells. These cells produce hormones. These hormones regulate the synthesis and secretion of hormones by the anterior pituitary gland. Children, you have studied in the previous class. Pituitary gland is called master gland. It controls the secretion of hormones by the other endocrine gland, but it itself is under the control of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus produces two types of hormones. One is releasing hormones and other inhibiting hormones. Releasing hormones stimulate the cells of pituitary gland and secretes hormones. So, different releasing hormones which stimulate the secretion of pituitary hormones are TRH, thyrotropes releasing hormone, GHRH, growth hormone releasing hormone, CRH, corticotrope releasing hormone, GnRH, gonadotrope releasing hormones, PRH, prolactin releasing hormones. So these hormones are stimulating the pituitary gland for the secretion of hormones. Other group of hormones secreted by hypothalamus are inhibiting hormones. These hormones inhibit or stop secretion of pituitary hormones. There are two inhibiting hormones, GHIH, growth hormone inhibiting hormone. It is also known as somatostatin. Second is PIF, prolactin inhibiting hormones. So children, I told the different types of releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones which are secreted by hypothalamus. With the help of these hormones, hypothalamus control the pituitary. Now you see TRH, thyrotropes releasing hormones. It will stimulate thyrotropes. Thyrotropes are cells present in the pituitary gland, and when these cells are stimulated, then there is the secretion of thyroid stimulating hormones. GHRH, that is growth hormone releasing hormones, stimulate the somatotropes. Somatotrope cells are present in the pituitary gland. Then there is secretion of growth hormones from the cells, somatotrope cells of pituitary. Next is corticotrope releasing hormone, CRH. Corticotrope releasing hormones stimulate corticotrope cells in the pituitary. Then there is secretion of adrenocorticotrophin hormones. Like this, there is the prolactin releasing hormones. Prolactin releasing hormones stimulate lactotroph cells in the pituitary, and there is the secretion of milk, but there is the secretion of prolactin hormones. Next is the inhibiting hormones. Inhibiting hormones is GHIH, growth hormones. Inhibiting hormones, so it will inhibit the secretion of growth hormones. PIF, prolactin inhibiting factors, will inhibit prolactin secretion. So I told the different types of hormones which are released by the hypothalamus, and with the help of these hormones, hypothalamus control and regulate the function of anterior pituitary.